Did I? Yeah, I hit that I won. Reload. Okay, there you go. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah. Okay, looks good. Okay, yeah. Mic check 1 2. Okay, so that was yesterday. I was thinking about it before the stream. Using Arena kind of feels like a bit like a cop out. But I suppose for now it'll do. Maybe, I guess, yeah, okay, maybe when I decide, well, I work on the compiler, can do some optimization at that point. Yes, till then it's fine, because oh, okay, I'm almost done with parsing, because I'm not going to do evaluation. Yeah, because after parsing I can start on the compiler. I think evaluation might not be needed. I think. Okay, infix operators. What makes something an infix operation? Well, thing to, is it an operand between two expressions? Which could be, one of them could be prefix, both of them could be prefix. So actually the operator might be optional. So I need to parse the left, the right, and I guess I don't need to evaluate. So make an AST out of the left, make an AST of the right, and then save the operand. Operand. It's a hard word. It's quite the mouthful. Okay. Doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, expression, and an operator. Yeah. Okay. I think what I'll do is, yeah, I can reuse my prefix operator method. Yeah. This is mostly the same. Go through a statement. See if the first thing is an integer, there's an operator, there's another integer. Is that it? So if this is the right side of a let statement, excuse me, then I just need to check if the value is does he, okay, no, there's no helpers, it's just straightforward. Yep, infix expression has a token. Interesting. Okay, the operator. Left is an expression, right is an expression. Yep. There's an operator. Haven't done any of the string methods because it's just printing the program right back. Skip. I mean, it's not how hard to do. If I already have the token literal. So this is just an extension. Just like with the AST prefix expression, we define infix to fulfill AST expression and AST node. Yep. By defining expression, token, literal, and string methods, and the only difference to AST prefix expression is the field called left. Yeah. So I guess the question would be, how would you know you've got to parse a prefix expression? because you can have a, let's say, add you could peek after the expression, see if it's an operator. No prefix pass function found for x for plus found. Yep, it is quite deceiving. It says no prefix pass function for plus found. Problem is that we do not want our parser hey Yoshi boy 18,303. I'm doing good. How are you doing? It's going well. We wanted to find an infix parse function. This is the point where we're going from, I guess it's need to words. This is a beautiful, because we now need to complete our parse expression method. Just had to do a bunch of rewrites for a Java Discord bot I'm making to actually do asynchronous programming, which was a pain. I haven't done any Java, so I don't know. Why was it a pain? I guess asynchronous programming. To be fair, I mean, yeah, it can depend on the language, I guess. Parse expression. Had to rewrite everything to use mono. I don't know what mono is without calling block. Sounds difficult. Or sounds like a pain. Yeah, I didn't know what mono is. Project reactor. Well, I don't know. I don't know what that is either. I'm quite surprised you wrote your Discord bot in Java. I would say that is impressive on its own. Why did you decide to write it in Java? Curious. Okay, so this is a map. Mainly TypeScript is a mess. Okay. Enough said. Everything makes sense now. I think it's been a long while since I wrote any TypeScript. It's just wild because I used to write it every day. Maybe 2 years now? Damn. I didn't know it was that long. Yeah, it's over 2 years. Quite surprised myself. Oh no, it's not 2 years. It's about 1.5 years. So I didn't know how TypeScript is these days. Okay, interesting. I think probably the first person I've heard say that, so. To be fair, I haven't written any Java, so I have no idea. Hey, if it works for you, I think that's all that matters. I guess it's kind of like that saying. Like, I don't know what saying. I've heard it somewhere. I think you should program in a language that makes you want to do it again tomorrow. Words of wisdom from the internet, not mine. Don't think I want to use a map here. I think this could have just been an enum. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna use an enum. Oh, but hang on. It needs to be sort of. I think I'll come back to this. Not sure how I want to do it. Kind of got distracted in my own head. Excuse me. Peak precedence. Yeah. Current precedence. Precede ends. Okay. Precedences is our precedence table. Yeah. It associates token types with their precedence. The precedence values themselves are the constants we defined earlier. The integers with increasing value. Yep. This table can now tell us that token plus and minus have the same precedence, but lower than these two. Peak precedence. Returns the precedence associated with the token type of p dot peak token. If it doesn't find the precedence, precede. It's quite the tongue twister, kinda. Falls to lowest. Okay. The current precedence does the same thing. Yeah. Register 1 if, oh geez. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Okay, I see what he's trying to do. Okay, yeah. But there is a S minus. Yeah. Yeah. There is a prefix pass expression for minus. So how do we decide which one to call? Every infix operator gets associated with the same parsing function called parse infix expression. Yeah. The notable difference is that it takes an argument. Yeah. I think whatever is the last expression, I'm guessing. Takes left. Interesting. Why? So you need to parse. Oh, okay. You parse the current expression. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Kinda makes sense. Oh no, it does make sense. Because by the time you've reached the operator, you've already passed what's on the left. So you just pass that in as well. Yeah. Uses an argument to construct an infix expression node, with left being in the left field. It assigns the precedence of the current token which is the operator for the infix expression, to the local variable precedence. Assigns the precedence of the current token. Oh, you mean the operator? I'm a bit confused. Okay. Oh, you send the operators. I'm guessing it's the operator. Yeah, because current token. Excuse me. You pass the precedence of the previous. Yeah, okay. To the local variable precedence before advancing the tokens by calling next token and filling the right node with another call to pass expression. Interesting. Okay. Okay. This time passing the precedence of the operator token. It's time to lift the curtain. Here's the heart of our Pratt parser. Pratt. Here's the final version of parse expression. Yeah. So we already have prefix parse functions. Okay, so you go all the way to the end of the statement. Interesting. Excuse me. And the precedence is less than peak precedence. Yeah. Why? Okay, what if the precedence is greater? That becomes the left expression. Interesting. What is this prefix? Where did this method come from? Oh yeah, sorry. That's the prefix pass function. Okay, yeah. So we go left. Okay, so if it's a prefix expression, that means the next token is a semicolon. So it won't. Okay, gotcha. Okay, gotcha. And not sure I understand this bit yet, but let's just look ahead. Then you get the infix function. Oh, you return the left expression. Interesting. And you advance the token. Left expression becomes infix of left expression. It's a bit confusing. I thought we already parsed. How's that working? Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, no, it makes sense. Because infix parse function accepts the left. Excuse me. Yeah, okay. I think that makes sense. I'll check this after. Okay. I think I'll stop by. Whoa, what happened? It's jumped ahead. Okay. What I'll do is take the prefix expression parsing, make this infix to 5 minus 5. What does he test? I guess the precedence can be checked after. Okay. Basically all of them. Guess just copy this. Yeah. Okay. Go A, B, C. Equals. Yeah. What else is there? Not equals. Oh, and greater than. Well, might as well do less than. Okay. Then expected value. Okay, I'm not evaluating it, so okay. How many is that? Quite a few. Okay. 5 minus 5. Plus equals. Not equal. And greater than. Okay. This should fail. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. There were no errors. Suspicious. Something's missing. Okay. We'll get to that in a bit. I need... We have a suspicious user. I don't know, he's here every day. Banned. So infix a token operator, right and the left. Infix fashion literal. So we no. Yeah, okay. So dot left dot token literal. No, what am I doing? Literal. And then okay. It's more. So rename this to infix. Okay. Where's my expression? Infix expression. This is a pointer to infix. Okay. So far, so good. Next thing is gotta register a bunch of infix expressions. Pass expression. I need a register infix. Parser type is infix parse function. Oops. Call this left. Okay. Takes an infix parse function. Infix. Okay. Then parse infix expression. So, and I need a left, which is an AST dot expression. Returns an expression. Uh, Okay. Mr. Infix. I think I need plus, minus. Yeah, hang on. Parse prefix. Okay. Minus. What's it called? LT. LT. GT. Plus minus. Multiply. No. Is it asterisk? Product. What did I call it? Equal plus minus asterisk. Okay. And slash. Asterisk. And slash. And there were, oh yeah, there was equal and not equal. Yeah, not equal. Yeah, okay. Parse left. Yeah, okay. What do I need to do next? Fucking big ass mosquito. It's gone. Parse expression. So I think here, instead of returning, so this would become left. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Can you do the opposite? Right now. Hmm. Parse left. Then operator. Something. Then parse right. Yeah. Need the cadence of the operator for parsing. Oh fuck. Is it? Hmm. Not sure what to do here with the operator. Guess you do need it to parse the right side. Let me check something quick. No. Pointers optional type. Oh, okay. Maybe I can do this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So it's left equal to dot prefix parse functions dot get self dot token type or else can I do this and then just okay. Means I can get rid of this. Now I have left and I can pass this. Yeah. So check if there is an operator after. If yes, parse infix. Okay. Well, what if it's only a prefix pass expression? Ah, that's where the whole for semicolon thing. Okay. Get back to this in a bit. Suppose I could just return left. Do this after. Okay, so parsing infix expression takes a left. I need to return an infix expression. Okay, so infix expression is going to be st dot, hang on, it is a pointer. Self dot allocator dot, is it create? Yeah. Yo, stop complaining. Infix expression catch unreachable. Reach, reach, able. Data. Let's call it I. It's much easier. Star is going to be st dot infix expression. What do we need? Okay. I need a token, which is going to be self dot current token. What else? Operator self dot current token dot literal. We have left equals to left. Don't need that either. And then now right is going to be undefined. Okay. So now we need to get prefix infix parse function for operator. Okay. I don't think this will take So you call, let me look at the test. Interesting. Okay. Parse let a equals. From here we parse integer. Then we come to minus. The question is, what's new? Question is whether prefix. Okay, hang on. Let me go parse let statement. Yeah. Token.identifier sign self.parse expression. Okay. So parse expression gets called. This is the right side. And we've passed the left side. Current token type. Yeah. So this is an integer. We go parse integer. Passed int, blah blah blah. Okay, and then it'll come back. Okay, so you'll need to go ahead. Self dot next token. So this is the operator. Okay, yeah, in this scenario, yeah. Okay, I forgot about one thing. Is that one right there? I need a way to look up precedence. What if I didn't want to use a map? Yeah, I'll just make this once for now. Does it have to be a map? So I have an operator. Why did I store the precedence somewhere here? Maybe in the EST. The Alexa? No, okay. Oh no, it's here. What the fuck is prefix? Not sure. Why do I not want to use a map? No, just don't like maps that much. Guess that's not a good enough reason. Okay, fuck it. Okay, I guess I'm using a map. Okay, how did I do maps the last time? I think it was in, yeah, here. Oh, I'm thinking because the allocator is only available within the parser or here. Anyway I do it, it's going to be messy. Well, yeah. So either I make it part of the parser, which I don't want to do, or I create a variable that's like within the scope. Okay, where's my token? Hang on. These are like enums already. What if I just use their values, like the int? I guess that could work. Hang on, let me just token. Say I can make this one. It's like 10 things, so I guess it could be. Does that break anything else? Okay, so I guess it could be a byte. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't see any errors related to that. Okay, and the file, identifier int. Nah, I think that's a bad idea. Because two tokens can have the same precedence. Don't know why I'm wasting so much time on this. I really don't want to do a map. That's option B. Try for, let's say, 4 minutes. I can't figure any other way. We'll just use the map. Like this. That would definitely be going too far. Okay, fuck it. I'm just gonna use the map. AC dense. Look up. It's going to be set standard dot hash map. Yeah. Undefined. Yeah, I'll do it here. Dense. Look up. Is equal to standard dot auto hash map. Key is going to be token dot token type and u4. Yeah. Dot init allocator. The init must add a. No, it doesn't. Okay. Precedence lookup. And I go to mosquito. Okay. Where did it go? Yeah. Move this. Yeah. Hey. New. What is it? Yeah. It's like too much to type. Oh no, it's fine. Okay. So press C and lookup dot put. Okay. Register prefix. Yeah, is it? It is put. So this would be I think minus and plus have the same. Token dot s comma sum. Okay. Plus equals going to be equals not equal same, and we have LT less greater, and then same for TT. And we'll have asterisks ASTE ASTE. Okay, not sure if that's the right spelling. Sounds good to me. Then we'll have slash. Yep. And the other two, I'm not really sure at this point. It's going to be precedence. Precedence. No? Yeah, fuck operator. Okay. Since oh, come on. Since dot. Okay. Plus minus product. Yeah. Dot and Infix. It's a problem for later me. Okay. Why did I need this? Okay, yeah. I think pass expression should expect precedence. Precedence. Fuck. Call it P. Okay. Right now, P is not used, but fuck. There's more than one. Like quite a lot of mosquitoes. Okay, where was I? So guess let's proceed. Oh, P will be precedence dot precedence lookup dot get current current self dot current token dot token type. Guess this can be null. No, no Stack Overflow. Standard hash map. So get output result. Yep, it can be null. What else? Panic. Yep. It's null. Okay, and then guess we can pass this here. I'm not sure what to do with this yet. Okay, I'll just leave it there for now. I think we need the same for Infix. Before we move ahead, then left, no, yeah. I am a bit lost, I have to say. Okay, I think currently right is undefined. I think I get it. So it's gonna be I dot right is equal to self dot parse expression. What do we need? Precedence. Pass this. And then return not I st dot expression, and then infix expression is going to be I. Yeah, guess I'll have to run the test to find out. Okay. Okay. Still haven't used the precedence. Oh yeah, I remember now. Although do we need to go? Yeah. And I think we need to get the infix. Realized I might have made a mistake. Okay, fuck. Where are you going? Jeez. Okay, better get you down. I think I have made a grave adder. Why do I call left? Yeah, I only get the function pass prefix function, precedence, next token, prefix function expression dot write, self dot parse expression. Okay, this is not right. Left is never called. This returns an expression. Fuck. I don't know how it's working anymore. Let me just do a sanity check. I want to check what it was like yesterday. Parse prefix expression. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. I was calling it yesterday. Okay. Now that makes sense. Whew. That was close. So I have to say, I think I've confused myself. Totally lost now. Mm. Okay, I see, I see. No, that makes sense. So let's say if the expression is -5, would you'll notice a minus, and then you'll call parse prefix function. Mm-hmm. Which would also take care of the right side. Interesting. Okay, let me walk through the parser. So when you encounter minus, call parse prefix function. You have the token. Yep. Yeah. You have the operator, but you need the integer. Get the integer, you need to move forward, then parse the next token. Okay, gotcha. I think that makes sense. So I think don't need to go ahead here. So while the next token is a semicolon, peak, yeah, peak self dot peak can I had a method for it. Expect peak token is token dot semicolon. Is that what it's called? Okay, small c. Move forward. Otherwise, return left of self dot current token. Does it not take token? Where's my Actually, only infix methods take token. I'm not sure about this. Hmm. I'm a bit confused. Let me check the book again. Parse infix. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I get the current precedence. Get the next token. Oh fuck. I just realized. Because the right side of an infix is just a prefix expression. Okay. I think that makes sense. Yeah. You get prefix parse function. Yes. Yeah. Left expression is prefix. That's the bit that I missed. Yeah, and I think I missed these two methods as well. Okay. And you get the infix. Yeah. So this is not left. This is prefix function, and then this is cons left expression going to be prefix function of self. Yeah, just turn the left expression. It's not semicolon. And we gotta check precedence. Sorry, and precedence of the current token is less than the peak precedence. I think I need to define this method. Oh, sorry. P. Okay. Pass integer here. Current precedence. Self. So, and it returns u4. Okay. Turn. No. Receive. Fuck. Okay. Where is it? Precedence. Yeah, okay. Precedence. Lookup of self. Sorry, the get self dot current token, and if it is else precedence dot lowest. Do I need to return explicitly? Enum. Oh, sorry. Optionals. Optionals. Okay. No, sounds kind of okay. Let's leave it like that. See, call it peak precedence dot. I think it's called next. No, peak token. Okay. Think in my prefix p will be self dot current precedence. Yep. Okay. Something I want to check. Oops. Think here. I think I can make this better. Precedence. It's better. And use it as the type. So I don't need to cast anything. Okay. Yeah, that's for later. I do want to check the infix parse expression. Yeah, you do get the current precedence. Because I guess this bit is the same as prefix parse function. Okay. Expression. Okay. I think now I need to get the infix. Infix parse functions dot get dot current token dot token type. For now, I would say yeah, just crash the program for now. Oh, hang on. Can just do the same. Instead of prefix, infix for, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, and this should be quite similar. So I do self dot next token. So I've gone past the operator, and then I can call inf left expression will be infix of left expression. So this needs to be variable. Is that correct? Yeah, I think, and that should recursively. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Shut up. He's complaining for no fucking reason. It's my cat. Okay. Back to type. Type. Found function. Do 37. Aha. Yeah. I did come across this error before. What? That's it. This is my cat fucking complaining. He's gonna jump up. No. Fuck off. Later. Okay. What was the error? Yeah, fucking hash map. Of course. The thing is, if I... What does this return? Oh, I can... Can I just make it? Okay. Hash map of token u4. Is that it? I don't know what these two values should be. Nah, that's definitely not it. Oh, I can see how auto hash map does it. Shut up, little cunt, motherfucker. Okay. I knew this thing would be a pain in the ass. Well, I guess I could make it part of the parser. Oh, I could do the same. Hang on. Dot auto hash map token dot token type the precedence. That's better. Oops. Yeah. Token has no member equals. Okay. Can fix that. I think there's no S. Oh fuck, it's token type equal. Yeah, there we go. Think all of them need it. Token type. Okay. What about now? Oh fuck. Yeah. Oh fuck. Hang on. Try. There you go. Ooh. Expected one argument, found 0. Okay. Yeah, because I did add the precedence. 136. Self-doubt, parse expression. Does expect peak. Oh fuck. I don't need to. I think I don't need this next token. So if it is expected, it'll peak. I should have led to an off by 1 error. Okay, if it's not. Think don't need expect peak here. Do is peak token is, yeah. Okay, no, it's fine. Because I do think, yeah, I handle the error. Yeah, okay. Token and then I need the precedence of so this is hang on. If it is sign, that means equals. We'll go forward 1 token. So why am I doing this? Yeah, I don't need this because I'm already yeah. Precedence is going to be self dot current precedence of self dot current token. Oh, just nothing. Okay. $150. Dot token type. Yeah. Okay. 200. There's a typo. Okay. Yep, that's not correct either. Because it should be token dot token type dot semicolon. Interesting. Can I do enum? Enum from int? No, int from enum. Okay. From enum e, and then same here. Expected 2 arguments but found 1. Yes. Infix requires self. E dot 3. Where's that one? 33. Oh, in the REPL. Think I don't need this anymore. arena allocator. This is not required. Get rid of this later. Refer to parser test locations. Okay. That's just the build editors. Sig test parser. Okay, that is an error. I'd like to see what the error is. Okay, if it's not 0, hey, Unzilla. Unzilla. How you doing? Parser dot errors. Is that it? Oh fuck, it's an array. So I'll just print the first one for now. Hey, I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Just working on an interpreter. It's, I don't know. It's hard to say. It's a tough one today. Well, not really. Jeez. Yeah, so I'm working on the interpreter based on the book. And I'm nearly done. But I am kind of stuck with parsing infix expressions. Am I a software engineer? Yeah, I am. How about yourself? Jeez, cats are like all over the place today. Do you program as well, Unzilla? Unzilla. Oh, okay, maybe that makes better sense. More sense. Un. Know why I said that. Oh, okay, nice. What kind of art? Oh, I forgot. Doesn't print errors. You can do log dot one. Will I print that? No. Okay. Like been stuck on it for a while now. I need a break. What kind of art do you do on Zilla? Out of coffee. Okay, hang on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some coffee and get my cats out of here. BRB. Alright, come on. Fuck. I just spilled coffee everywhere. Nice. Fuck. Okay. Wasn't too bad. Hot too. Okay. Spilled a bit of coffee on the table. Nothing major. Okay. Ugh, it's wet. The mouse pad is wet. I figured it out later. Okay. Where was I? Okay. Can't print. What's that, Anzilla? Art is to make every type of art relate to graphics. Okay. That's quite broad. Okay. Well, kind of makes sense. I think I used to do a bit of design before I started programming. I was trying out new things. And yeah, wasn't very good at it. Yeah, I did think for a year. I used to do graphic design. You know, it's looking more and more like future me got a problem for you to fix. Yeah, I think that sounds good. Done quite a bit of, made quite a bit of progress. Dated parse fix expression. Just a second, Hanzilla. So why didn't you make any art for your channel, like panels, logo, etc.? I don't know. Good question. I don't know what these things are. Channel, like panels, logo, etc. I don't know. Never really thought about it. Maybe at some point. I think I only started streaming a month ago. So not something I've considered so far. Maybe at some point. Plus, also I think I like to stream because it's kind of fun and don't really care about all that stuff for now. I enjoy it. Yeah. Don't want to take it too seriously at this point, at least. Because it's just something I do every morning for the but I didn't know what it is that you're gonna make. Maybe I should look up what are channel panels. I mean, you can make it if you want. I won't say no. It's like if you're feeling artistically inclined. No, I have. I think I have zero ideas about it. It's it's not an area. I wouldn't even know where to start. Maybe I'll let me look it up. What are these things? Twitch channels. Oh, oh, this is the wrong one. Let me look at what do they look like. Oh, Does he have a end result? Yeah, I think might be easier because I don't know what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah. Let's have a look. What's that? Can I get your where I can share about it? I don't know if it's a link, you can just leave it here. I think I have my Discord on my Twitch somewhere. Don't know. I think I did add it. Can't open it right now because I use it for work too. So I don't know if the work chat is open. Yeah, sounds good. You can just leave it here. Okay, sure thing. Okay. Okay, Anzilla. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah. Kinda stuck and I don't know how to proceed. Probably do it tomorrow. Okay. I guess. Thank you for hanging out. And I shall see you maybe Tuesday. Or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Alright. Have a good one. I shall see you later. Bye bye.